Hello, my name is Victor the Ojo from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I have here this box that that has a pair of shoe in it, and I've actually been looking to get this shoe. The first time it came out, I believe it came out sometimes last year, this year or last year, I would say. It's the Zoom Freak one. I'm not sure if I say it correctly. Giannis got drafted by the Milwaukee Bucks a few years back. Like, I would say it's been 6-7 years now that he got drafted. When the time came that he got his own signature shoe, and he announced it, Zoom Freak One, Freak, Zoom Freak, however you name it. So it's the so we'll just go right to it, open the box, and bring the shoe out. So here is the box. First of all, what I want to say about this box, I like how this box is designed. It's white, pretty much two colors, white and blue. White being Greek, but Greece is white and blue, and so this is the box that the shoe came in, and if you can see over here, it's got the GA. You can tell that's Giannis Antetokounmpo. So that is Giannis initials right there, GA. And if you turn this box, around, you will notice Giannis' last name, Antetokounmpo. It's pretty easy. I mean, it might sound kind of too. It might feel hard to pronounce the last name, Antetokounmpo. All you have to do is just look at the letters, spell it out, and pronounce it. Antetokounmpo. Easy, you know. And if you turn the box around, you will see the Nike logo right there. And I missed another thing, Giannis' signature right over here. Giannis' signature. So we'll get to the box. Open the box. You will see it coming. We're not gonna do nothing about that. And right there. So in this box is the navy blue Nike Air Zoom Freak. Right there. The Nike Air Zoom Freak. Zoom Freak 1. That's the name of the shoe. Zoom Freak 1. Okay? So, Zoom Freak 1. If you look at the shoe like this, you will be like, I want to get this kind of shoes. First, you want to see what the shoe is from. It's from Nike, obviously, because you can see the big Nike logo right there. And you turn it around, you turn the shoe around,